If you're looking for a do-it-yourself clear coat product that still looks professional, you've come to the right place. From SprayMax to Sherwin Williams, here are the 5 best clear coat brands for cars. Clear coat doesn't just make your car shiny, it also adds a barrier of protection from scratches, dents, and UV rays. First up on our list is SprayMax 2K Clear Glamour. It's an aerosol spray, so application is easy, and it leaves a high-gloss, chip-resistant finish. Read the instructions carefully before beginning and note that this clear coat takes a full 24 hours to cure. For a less shiny look, there's the POR 15 Matte Clear Coat from POR15.com. Low sheen but still protective, this premium clear coat plus universal hardener requires a spray gun and 90-degree curing temperature for best results. Next is Sherwin Williams Acme Finish 1, which is also available on Amazon. It's a top performer with a solid 5-star rating and is DIY friendly even for beginners. You can use it for spot repair or an all-over finish. Either way, you'll usually need to apply 2 coats and curing can take up to 48 hours. For a professional grade finish, look to KBS Coating's Diamond Finish Clear Coat. This product requires little prep before usage and can be easily applied over your car's existing paint or clear coat. It also has a relatively fast cure time. This makes it more likely to dry out and harden quickly as a result, making it harder to fix your mistakes or reuse leftover product. Last on our list is SpeedoKote Speedo Line Clear. This is a fast-drying blend of acrylic and urethane with added UV protection. For best results, you'll want to use it when the temperature is between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold temperatures can cause the clear coat to lump and thicken, making for a less attractive cure. For more advice on keeping your car in great shape, hit the subscribe button or go to getjerry.com.